Good afternoon and welcome back to the Bellslea for the first time since the Broch Legends game on the 18th of May. If you missed that match, I'll leave a link at the end so you can catch up with some of the old black and white favourites as they grace the Bellslea turf once more and raise money for Dementia UK. Today's match is a friendly against Hermes, who finished third in the North Junior Championship last season. Hermes were visitors here in last season's Aberdeenshire Cup. A link to that game will also be at the end, along with a Hermes home match where they scored my goal of the season out of over 200 goals in the 85 games I watched last year. If you're interested in seeing some random football grounds, check out this video where I visited 40 clubs between Hampden and Munich on a 16-day bike trip the week before the Euros started.
Hey, coming in! Shoulder, get far! See that shoulder? Yes! Hey, 6 and 7 here! Hey, well done, Hermes! Well done!
Half time and it's 1-0 to Broch in some pretty miserable conditions.
Back!
Full time and the Broch take the win with 4 second half goals added to their 1 in the first half. Thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next game.